Hello, my name is Aaron Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that will help you leverage your time better and get things priced. Today, I'd like to introduce a little-known feature called Target Pricing What If. This feature is especially useful when a proposal needs to meet an exact price. When this is the case, the exact price can be entered for a specific resource category or for the entire proposal. The target pricing what if will automatically change the proposal's inputs in order to meet a target price. It will not change any proposal rates. For example, if we enter a target price for labor, ProPricer will then add or remove labor hours in order to meet the new target price. Now let's get ready to run the target pricing what if. Before getting started with any what if, the first thing we should do is make a copy of the proposal. Remember, all what if changes are permanent, so it's always better to make a copy before making changes to the proposal. Okay, now that we've made a copy of the proposal, let's click the Proposal tab of the ribbon and then the Target Pricing button. To get the proposal's pricing, we must first click the Get Current Pricing button, which is located here. When we click this button, the cost data is populated for the cost level that we have selected. For example, here I have total price selected, which means each of these numbers are the total price for that category. If I change it to, say, total indirect, then only the total indirect cost for each category is shown. This target cost level parameter allows you to adjust the inputs to reach a target price at any level. Before we continue, there are several important things you need to know about changing prices with the target pricing what if. First, the total price for each category can be manually changed by simply typing in a new number, like this. Notice that when I type in this number, the amount of change between the old price and the new price is displayed as a decimal right here. Additionally, a decimal can be entered in this column instead of the exact target price. This can be very helpful when you need to adjust a price by a percentage and you're unsure of what the new price should be. For example, if I want to increase a value by 5%, I will enter a 1.05 in this column. Notice when I enter the decimal here, it shows the new value that will replace the old value. It is also helpful to know what the freeze checkbox in this column over here on the right side does. If I change the total price at the proposal level on this row, any category I have frozen will not change. Finally, it's important to note that the target pricing what if may not be able to change a price to the exact target down to the cent because of the resource decimal precision setting. This setting is used to determine the number of decimal places for rounding values in ProPricer. The resource decimal precision is in the general section of the proposal properties. To make the target pricing what if as accurate as possible, I recommend that you enter at least 2 decimal places. You have the option of entering up to 12. Also, the target pricing what if may be run multiple times to adjust the value. Now that you know how to tell ProPricer what the target price should be, you're ready to click Process. No changes will be made to the proposal until we click Process. Before we do this though, it's a good idea to make sure we're working on the right version of the proposal by quickly checking the proposal here. Finally, we'll click on the Process button and then click OK when it's complete. The dialog box will remain open and now we can see the original price compared to the new price. In summary, the target pricing what if is a simple way to adjust the proposal's inputs to arrive at the exact value you need. Each adjustment can be made by entering the exact value or by entering a percentage of change. This what if works by changing the proposal's hours, units, and cost, and not by changing any rates. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your colleagues who use ProPricer. If you have any questions about ProPricer or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, please let us know. Your tip might make it into the next video. Again, my name is Aaron Hale, and as always, thank you for watching.